Have you ever wondered what hidden gems Europe holds beyond its famous landmarks? Welcome to a voyage of discovery that will take you far from the familiar to lesser-known yet stunning locations that Europe has to offer. This journey is not about the Eiffel Tower or the Colosseum. Instead, it's about 5 unique, off-the-beaten-path destinations that hold their own kind of magic. We'll wander through the enchanting forests of Finland where the northern lights dance in the star-studded sky. We'll stroll down the cobblestone streets of the fairy-tale town of Český Krumlov in the Czech Republic. We'll marvel at the spectacular cliffs of Moher in Ireland and bask in the vibrant colors of the village of Manarola in Italy. And finally, we'll uncover the mystical charm of the Faroe Islands in Denmark. So buckle up and dust off your wanderlust. Prepare to embark on an unforgettable journey through the unseen beauty of Europe. Before we begin, if you're enjoying our videos on Trek Tales, please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest adventures. Don't forget to like, share, and leave your comments on our videos. We love hearing from you. Imagine immersing yourself in the tranquil wilderness of Finland's forests. Let's take a moment to step into the serenity of Finland's enchanting woodlands. Imagine standing amidst a forest that stretches as far as the eye can see, where century-old pines whisper tales of the past and the future in the cool, crisp air. This is a place where tranquility is a way of life, where the silence is only broken by the harmonious symphony of birds singing and leaves rustling beneath your feet. As you wander deeper into this wilderness, you can't help but feel a sense of awe and wonder. The forests here are not just a collection of trees. They're a living, breathing ecosystem, teeming with wildlife, from the smallest insects to the majestic elk and reindeer. And there's more to this forest than meets the eye. The magic of Finland's forests truly comes to life during the summer months, when the sun refuses to set, bathing everything in an ethereal glow for 24 hours a day. This phenomenon, known as the midnight sun, paints the forest in hues of gold and amber, creating a surreal, dreamlike landscape. As the seasons change, so does the forest. The vibrant greenery gives way to a blanket of white as winter sweeps in, transforming the landscape into a winter wonderland. But even in the heart of winter, the forests of Finland have a unique spectacle to offer. When the night sky is clear, you can witness the northern lights, or aurora borealis, dancing across the sky in waves of green and purple, casting an otherworldly glow on the snow-covered trees below. From the stunning spectacle of the northern lights to the eternal daylight of the midnight sun, the forests of Finland are a testament to the awe-inspiring power of nature. They're a reminder of the simple, yet profound beauty that exists in the world, away from the noise and chaos of urban life. In the heart of nature, Finland's forests are a retreat from the hustle and bustle of city life. Step back in time as you wander through the cobblestone streets of Český Krumlov. Nestled in the heart of the Czech Republic, Český Krumlov is a town that feels plucked straight out of a storybook. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a testament to the passage of time, with its roots stretching back to the 13th century. It's as if the clock stopped ticking centuries ago, preserving the town's medieval charm in a time capsule. One of the town's most prominent features is its well-preserved architecture. From quaint houses with red rooftops to the imposing Český Krumlov Castle, each structure tells a tale of the town's rich history. This castle, boasting over 40 buildings and palaces, stands as an architectural marvel. With its expansive courtyards and ornate design, it's no wonder that it's considered one of the most important historical sites in Central Europe. But Český Krumlov's charm extends beyond its architecture. The town is cradled by the meandering Vltava River, creating an enchanting landscape that adds to its fairy tale allure. This river, the longest in the Czech Republic, winds through the town, offering idyllic views and a tranquil backdrop for those who take the time to explore it. As you wander through the town, you'll find yourself immersed in a world that blends history with natural beauty. From the cobblestone streets that echo the footsteps of the past to the tranquil river that whispers tales of yore, Český Krumlov is a place where history comes alive. It's a place where you can lose yourself in the stories that the walls of the centuries-old buildings whisper to those who listen, where you can gaze upon the river, imagining the countless tales it could tell, where you can wander through the castle, feeling the weight of history in its stones. With each step you take, you'll experience the magic of a town that has stood the test of time, its story etched in every stone, every river bend, every cobblestone street. Český Krumlov, a fairy tale town where history comes alive. Feel the power of nature at the breathtaking cliffs of Moher, a spectacle that has been standing tall for over 300 million years on the wild west coast of Ireland. The cliffs are a natural masterpiece, sculpted by the ocean's relentless force, stretching over 8 miles along the Atlantic and soaring over 700 feet at their highest point. The drama of the cliffs of Moher isn't just about their stupendous height or the sheer drop into the churning teal waters below. It's about the panoramic view of the vast, seemingly endless Atlantic Ocean, the Aran Islands standing guard in Galway Bay, and the hypnotic layers of the 12 Pins and Momturks mountain ranges in the distance. The cliffs are not just a feast for the eyes, they're also a symphony of sounds. Listen to the harmonious blend of the crashing waves, the whistling wind, and the symphony of seabirds that call these cliffs home. Speaking of wildlife, the cliffs of Moher are a sanctuary for over 20 species of nesting birds, including guillemots, razorbills, and the largest mainland colony of puffins in Ireland. From the sky to the sea, if you're lucky, you might even catch a glimpse of dolphins playfully leaping in the waves, or a humpback whale breaching in the distance. Every inch of this natural wonder tells a story, a tale of time and elements, of survival and beauty. It's a place where you can feel the raw power of nature, where the wind whispers ancient tales, and where every sunset paints a picture worth 1,000 words. The cliffs of Moher are a testament to the grandeur of the natural world, a spectacle that leaves every visitor in awe. They are a place of inspiration and contemplation, a place where the power and beauty of nature are at their most raw and untamed. The cliffs of Moher, where nature's majesty truly unfolds. Scene script. Experience the charm of the Italian Riviera in the vibrant village of Manarola. Welcome to Manarola, an enchanting haven nestled in the heart of Italy's Cinque Terre. A cascade of vibrantly painted houses perch precariously along the rugged cliffside, creating a kaleidoscope of color that kisses the Mediterranean Sea. This picturesque spectacle is a sight to behold, a radiant display of Italian charm and architectural ingenuity. As you meander through the narrow, winding streets, you're greeted by an array of pastel hues. Each building, a unique shade, tells a story of the families who've lived there for generations. From the highest vantage points, the stunning views of the Mediterranean Sea are breathtaking. The azure waters shimmer under the Italian sun, stretching as far as the eye can see. The salty sea air mingles with the aroma of blooming flowers, creating an intoxicating sensory experience. Of course, no visit to Manarola would be complete without indulging in the local cuisine. The village is renowned for its fresh seafood, caught daily by the local fishermen. From succulent anchovies to mouth-watering prawns, every dish is a culinary masterpiece. And let's not forget the local wines, particularly the crisp, dry white known as Sia Ketra, which perfectly complements the seafood. For the adventure seekers, there's the famous hiking trail Via dell'Amore. This path of love will lead you on a captivating journey, offering panoramic views of the sea and the surrounding vineyards. It's a testament to the enduring love story between Manarola and its natural surroundings. Manarola is not just a village, it's a sensory experience, a feast for the eyes and the palate. It's the mingling of culture, history, and nature in one vivid tableau. It's the feeling of stepping into a vibrant postcard where every corner holds a new discovery. So take a moment to soak it all in, to savor the beauty and the charm of this coastal gem. Lose yourself in the maze of colorful houses, the taste of the sea, and the warmth of Italian hospitality. Manarola, a colorful testament to Italy's coastal allure. Discover the untouched beauty of the Faroe Islands. Imagine a place where nature reigns supreme, where the rugged landscapes are as mesmerizing as they are untamed. That place is the Faroe Islands, an archipelago of 18 islands, nestled in the heart of the North Atlantic Ocean. Despite being a part of Denmark, the Faroe Islands have a distinct charm that sets them apart. The islands are a symphony of steep cliffs that plunge into the sea, forming a dramatic backdrop to the charming villages dotted across the landscape. Each village is like a picture postcard, with colorful houses huddled together, their turf-roofed structures blending seamlessly with the verdant surroundings. The island's isolation has helped preserve their unique architecture and lifestyle, making them a window into a bygone era. But the Faroe Islands are not just about scenic landscapes and charming villages. They are also a haven for wildlife. The islands are home to more sheep than people, and the surrounding waters teem with diverse marine life. The skies are a birdwatcher's paradise, with a wide range of bird species including the iconic puffins, who make the cliffs their home during the breeding season. The Faroe Islands offer a plethora of outdoor activities. Hiking is a favorite pastime, with trails winding through the rugged terrain, offering breathtaking views at every turn. From leisurely walks along the coast to challenging treks up the mountains, there's a trail for every fitness level. Birdwatching is another popular activity, with the chance to spot rare species in their natural habitat. The Faroe Islands are a testament to the enduring allure of nature. The island's remote location and harsh weather conditions have, in a way, shielded them from the onslaught of mass tourism, preserving their pristine beauty. Whether you're a nature lover, an adventurer, or simply someone looking for an offbeat travel destination, the Faroe Islands promise a truly unique experience. The Faroe Islands, a paradise for nature lovers and adventurers alike. Europe, a continent rich in diversity and filled with hidden gems. We've journeyed through the enchanting forests of Finland, where nature wears the crown. We've wandered the cobblestone streets of Český Krumlov, a fairy tale town straight out of a storybook. We've stood on the edge of Ireland's spectacular cliffs of Moher, feeling the wind whip through our hair and the raw power of nature. We've walked through the colorful, sun-drenched village of Manarola, Italy, a place where time seems to stand still. And we've ventured to the mystical Faroe Islands of Denmark, a rugged landscape that feels like the edge of the world. These are just a few of the hidden gems scattered across Europe, a testament to the continent's richness and diversity. It reminds us that there's so much more to Europe beyond its famous landmarks. Remember, the beauty of travel lies in discovering the unknown.